How to fix Instagram error problem. So in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix it in less than 1 minute. First thing, go to the settings, go to the apps, open the apps like this. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have in your phone. So all what you have to do is wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find Instagram, click on it, and then click on the data usage here and disable the roaming data, and make sure that the background data and the Wi-Fi and the mobile data, everything should be enabled. Go back, click on storage, click on clear cache and clear data, and then go to the Play Store. And if you have iPhone, you can go to the App Store, search for Instagram and update it, and restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.